The way to solve for an unknown value in exponential equations is to apply the laws of exponents. Today we are applying a couple of exponential laws that this equation requires. The first thing to consider when working with exponential equations is to make the bases look the same, and that is if it is possible to do so. When we look at the left-hand side of the equal sign, we have two bases that are different from each other. Now, because the aim is to make the bases look alike, we can then change 9 to 3 squared so that the bases are common on this side. On the right side of the equal sign, we have 4 root 3. If we want to write this without the square roots, we have 3 raised to the power 1 over 2. Where exactly this comes from is the root definition. When we look at the left-hand side of the equal sign, we have 3 raised to the power 2. These two multiply each other to give us 3 raised to the power 2x, and on this side we apply the products to the powers rule. When multiplying two exponents with the same base, you add the exponents and keep the base, so we can take it from this side to the other side. In this case, we will have each exponent with its own base. So we're going to have 3 raised to the power 2x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 1. Now we have a common factor. On the left side of the plus sign, we have 3 raised to the power 2x, and on the right side of the plus sign, we also have 3 raised to the power 2x. When we take out the common factor, on this side we are only left with 1 because 3 raised to the power 2x is out, and on this side we are left with 3 raised to the power 1. 1 plus 3 raised to the power 1 is 4, and 3 raised to the power 2x times 4 can also be written as 4 times 3 raised to the power 2x, which makes these bases look the same, so we can bring down the exponents. When the bases are the same, you bring down the exponents. Now we look for the value of x by cross multiplying. So 2x multiplied by 2 is 4x. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Then you divide by 4 on both sides, which will give us the value of x, which is 1 over 4. Another way to solve for x here is to just divide by 2 on both sides of the equal sign, which will also give us 1 over 4. Now to check if this is the right x value, you have to substitute this value with x on the original equation. The right value of x will balance the left-hand side of the equal sign with the right-hand side. If we substitute 1 over 4 with x, we get 4 root 3, which balances the right-hand side. So 1 over 4 is the right x value. Thank you guys for watching. I'd like to know where you found a challenge in this chapter, so please leave a comment. We'll see you on the next video.